Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Gloria Ann, and today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging this from HerGivenHair. So they just sent this over to me, and it's something that they just dropped, and I cannot wait to show you guys because I've been looking for something like this for so long. I love that it comes in a silk bag. This makes it way easier for your hair to last longer, and it keeps it shiny and moisturized. And let's just see what's inside because I haven't opened it yet. So you get the brochure for HerGivenHair. It lets you know all the type of stylers, conditioners, and cleansers that you can use with this, and it's basically stuff that I already use for my natural hair, like TGIN, Curls, Mayel Organics, Uncle Funky's Daughter, Camille Rose Naturals. Here is the hair. So these are the clip-ins that I have, and listen, I've been looking for something like this for so long because I'm not the one to experiment with color for my hair just because it's just not me. I'm very clumsy and I don't want to come out with like really orange hair. And I haven't been to a salon in years. I'm still traumatized. If you've seen my natural hair story video that I did not too long ago, then you understand, like you know exactly what I'm talking about. But and it's really hard for me to find clip-ins that match my texture, and I already know that HerGivenHair has my match down, or as close as it can get. So the fact that they came out with ombre clip-ins, I can add color to my hair and not damage my hair. I am satisfied. So this is what the hair looks like. I have a 14-inch and a 12-inch. And I got the shorter lengths because I'm not too pressed on making my hair look longer. I just want to make it look fuller. And my hair is about, I want to say maybe, I don't know, I just cut it. And this is my last time cutting it. I am going to grow it out. I just like having short hair, but now I think I really want to grow it out to see how long it could get. So, I got the shorter lengths just because it'll look better with the length that I have right now. It'll be easier to blend, and I am excited to see the looks that are going to come out of this. I do like but when you look at the hair, like when you look at how it's made, it's not that cheap straight line of color. Like, it's really ombre, and I'm really impressed about that. I love how the ends aren't raggedy. The hair is really soft. And it feels just like my hair. And this is the kinky texture, by the way. And just in case if you want to see the 14-inch, this is what it looks like. It's the same texture, the same color. The ends look really good. The hair doesn't feel dried out. It feels very moisturized and soft. And it's very dense. I think this is a great idea. I'm hoping to see more colors come out of this. I would love to see like fun colors like pink or purple or something like that, just so that we can jazz our hair up without actually damaging our natural hair. Because girl, I'm not about to put no color on my natural hair. I'm just not about to do it. I'm gonna have a professional do it because I'm not about to do it myself. And since we are ending the summer and we're transitioning into fall, a lot of people go for this color for fall. And I think that this is really good planning, really good marketing, because this is definitely a fall color. So I'm excited. Let me know what you think about this color. I cannot wait to try some hairstyles out with this, like some twist outs, some braid outs. You guys give me some ideas. Like, what do you want to see with these clip-ins? Would you prefer like a braid out, a twist out, or just like a wash and go sort of thing? And if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that I love HerGivenHair. I've been wearing their wigs for years. Their hair is very good quality. You get what you pay for. And it's a wig that I wore. I've had it for about 3 years, and I wore it to the On the Run concert, and it looked brand new. And another thing that I want to say is, because a lot of people get discouraged when they do research about natural hair clip-ins or wigs, they get scared about the maintenance. And everybody says you have to treat it like it's your natural hair. And that is true, but you don't have to do it consistently. Like, say, when it's wash day for my hair, it's not wash day for the weave too. You literally just have to take care of it when you're ready to use it. You can store it up in the silk bag that it comes in, and when you're ready to use it, if it's already in a previous braid out or twist out, it's still gonna look good. You can just probably spray some leave-in in it, or if you want to style it, you know, restyle it, you can do that too. So that's the good thing about this hair. It's high maintenance when it's time to style it, but when you have that style, you can wear it for a long time, because this hair really does hold, and it's like natural hair. Like it's literally just like my hair. I can get away with a braid out and a twist out on a wig, or these extensions, for a good week if I keep it, you know, if I keep it up. So my next video, you're gonna see how I wash, detangle, and condition this and style it into my hair. So leave some comments below and let me know what style you want to see. All right, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye.